Go play. Go play. Go play. Go. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Where's Izzy? Go get Izzy. She's waiting for you. Oh, you look cold and wet. Izzy finally got the hang of it. Come on, inside, let's go. Mike, can you run upstairs and grab 2 towels? I have a feeling they're going to be pretty soaked when they come in. Grab them from the hallway closet. Not too fluffy. Come on, let's go. Come on. Hey, there's water inside. Let's go.
Puppies.
Come on. Come on. Good girl, Molly.
Let's go, Izzy. Come on, Izzy. Oh.
Okay, go get Molly in her crate. Line the crate with the towel. Here she comes. Here she comes. Oh, no, there she goes.
Quick time, puppies.
You have to put the towels down first.
Oh. Wait, Izzy, Molly, stop.
Oh, that's Molly. Come on, Iz.